Hi friends, today I'm just showing you this colored heli ball. This is a multicolored helicopter ball. That's its name, and you can see that this is a touch sensitive and it can move with the different lights. Let me open this package. This package comes with one charging cable, one manual, and the heli ball itself. As you can see, the manual is in two languages like English and I think French or something, but at least it is in English so you can understand properly. It shows how to charge and how to use it. So this is the heli ball, and it is very lightweight. There is two different layers of the rotors. They are flexible, and there's two plastic, one for the balancing. Down there is one for the charging port, and I think one is sensor and on and off button. So it's pretty much straightforward. And then let me just see how to charge it. You can just put a micro USB down there in the socket and put in the USB for the charging. So that's the easiest way to get it charged. And let's on this, and you can see the different colors. So if you just touch it, it turns green and then start to go. So I'm just taking this charging cable and to show how it charges. So ensure it goes up and doing this.